How to change display language in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to change the display language on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change the display language, tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find settings at the bottom, just right here, tap on it. Now to change display language, here you can find it, just right here, on the language settings, select it. Now here you can find set your app language. Continue to the next screen and tap language to select your preferred language for the Reddit. So there is no any built-in feature to change the display language, so you need to change language using your iPhone settings. Now simply open the settings just like this. Now tap onto language just right here. Now simply choose one of these languages that you want to add on the Reddit. And that's it. This is how you can change display language in the Reddit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.